not even moving. That noise is teeth grinding, rather. Grinding of teeth. No. It's not a snore. It's his teeth grinding, he insists, onto it.
Careful. Got the fucking towel on a little bit too. Just grazed.
Just chowdered. When we're grinding teeth, they would be chowdered to dust. But they can't grind them when they're not touching. Teeth grinding? I think not. There's your movie proof that is not teeth being ground onto it. Okay.